So I'm just going to speak to you straight up and just tell you how it is. It doesn't matter what acronyms you have after your name, what certifications that you have. None of that matters in the end. All right? It can help you get an interview. It can help you get a job maybe. But whether you're a PMP or a CAPM or a Six Sigma or a CCNA, an MCITP, choose your acronym. It doesn't matter if you don't get results. All right? Don't hurt your feelings. You know, it's a whole business. The certification business is a whole industry convincing you that you have to have their piece of paper, their acronym after your name in order to be worthwhile, in order to be good enough. You gotta have that four-letter acronym. You gotta have that certificate. I've got them. I've got multiple certificates and I have multiple acronyms I could put after my name, but none of it matters. What matters is, can you do your job? Can you do your job well? All right? It matters what results you deliver. Okay? That's the facts. I'm a business owner. I don't care if you have 1,000 certifications, 20 degrees. I don't care if you don't get me results. I'm sorry. That's the truth. Business is about delivering the goods. Okay? Business is about getting things done. All right? We're not the government. You know, we are here because people have needs and we fill those needs. If we don't work, we don't work. Does that make sense? If we don't produce the goods or deliver the services that our customers need at a price, a quality, and a timeline that meets their needs, they'll find someone else. Okay? This is the same thing whether you have your own company or whether you're an employee for somebody else. When push comes to shove, they're going to promote the people who get it done. All right? So why do I tell you all this? I tell you all this not so you won't get the certs. You need to get the certs to get the resume. Okay? A lot of people won't even look at your resume or give you an interview unless you have a PMP after your name if you're applying for a PM role. Okay? It's just like the college system, the education system. All these systems, all these industries are built up to establish these standards, standards that somehow dictate or measure your worth or your value or your abilities. I don't want to knock it. I just want to speak truth. And I'll tell you, I have gone head to head with 100 PMPs. And I've blown their socks off. Okay, I outperform PMPs because I outwork PMPs. Okay, I outwork them, I outcare, I outdocument, I outdeliver. All right, I outperform. Performance, results, that's what matters. Okay, I don't know how to be more clear than that. If you can deliver the results better than someone else, you have a higher value to your company. You have to build relationships as well, of course, and you've got to like you. But all things being equal, it's the one that gets it done that gets promoted and gets the money. So what I'm saying here is get the certs. That's great. But get the skills. Okay? Get the skills, get the work ethic, get the abilities. And then once you've got those, do it. Do the work. There's no way around it. You have to do the work. And you've got to do it better and better all the time if you want to get ahead in your career and in life. I'm just being honest with you. You know, in my career, I've been able to grow from help desk. I started off in IT in the help desk, and every 1 to 2 years, I got a significant pay bump, a significant step up. How did I do that? It wasn't magic. It wasn't because I had connections. It was because I did the work, and by doing the work, I became the person that I am. You know, when you apply yourself and you give it your best shot, and you come in day after day, and you work more than 8 to 5, and you go put in the extra mile, your leadership will notice you. Okay, and then not only will they notice you, by going above and beyond, you become an exceptional person. It's like the chicken and the egg situation, right? Are you exceptional and then you do exceptional things, or do you do exceptional things because you're exceptional? I think it's kind of one of the same. If you want to be exceptional, do exceptional things. If you want to be better, then do better. All right? You've got to do it. There's no shortcuts for actually doing the work and adding the value. I wish that people would wake up and stop trying to think that getting some acronym at the end of your name, or getting some certification or certificate, or getting some title matters. None of it matters in the long run. All right? It matters who you are. People are hiring you. Okay? They're hiring you with the understanding you're going to do certain things and you're going to be able to do the job, but they're hiring you, the person, because of who you are. And that's what comes through in interviews. Good interviewers, they can see past the paper resumes. They can see past the, what do they call them? The paper certificates. The people who went and did a boot camp and got their CCNA in 2 weeks. They can see through that. And the good companies will have you quizzed and grilled and ask you technical questions. And if you don't answer the questions, you're not getting the job. And even if you get the job, let's say you fake it and you get past the interviews and you get the job. Well, when the work comes and you can't do the work, they're going to find out. All right? They're going to find out that you may have the certificate, but you don't know what you're doing. All right? And that's not going to go well for you. If you learn how to do it and you do it, you'll get better at doing it. And I've seen this throughout my career. I've gone from help desk to network engineer to server engineer to IT auditor, and now I'm an IT project coordinator, project manager. Now I have my own company for the last 5 years, IT program management and developing solutions and systems to help people be better at running projects. And it's because of my output. It's because of what I help people to achieve that I have value. My value is not the certificate. It's they know that I deliver the goods. They know that if they give me a project, it'll be run exceptionally well, and it'll be delivered whatever it takes. And the people who know me know my quality. So once I get into a customer, I generally don't leave for a long time, as long as they have work left to do. So that's just my speaking from the cuff. That's just me speaking authentically and organically here to you, just to remind you what really matters is who you are, and what really matters is what you do with your time and your life. All right, there are no shortcuts. There are no certificates that can define you. You have to define yourself, and you do that by your choices and by what you choose to do and become. So that's all I've got for today. Just wanted to share that with you. Hopefully it helps. If I can help you at all, don't hesitate to reach out.